so beautiful, so worthwhile. I'm so glad I did this. Okay, see there, so glad I did this. We'll definitely do this again. That's a nice experience and new habit to start forming. So yeah. So I thought I should just explain how I injured myself yesterday. So, as you just saw now, I was flying the drone for my father. It was one of his work colleagues' funeral, so he asked me to fly the drone because he was like part of the funeral. So then I've never flown the drone before, first of all, so it was like my first time, and I was very, very nervous about it. So I did like some practice shots and it was like fine and stuff. So then I wanted to land the drone, like it was like sandy piece, you know. So I was like not sure if I could land the drone on the sandy piece. So what I did was I tried to like, because you can, there's like a thing where you can like, if you do this then the drone will like land like on your hand. So I did like try to like catch the drone on my hand, but what I did was I obviously like did like try to grab the drone and I like cut myself like so there. Okay, this is bad angle. There it's like so. This finger over there, the same finger on the other side, and like it's like bloody there, my pinky finger, but I don't know, I think that's just like from blood. So yeah, and I was kind of like struggling to fall asleep last night because I kept on getting flashbacks about being cut by the drone basically. So yeah, but the footage came out good. Obviously I can still improve, I need to practice some more, and yeah, so I'm excited for this drone flying business pathway to start off. So I can add drone operator to my CV. It's all about updating that CV. Not updating, it's all about improving your CV. Just thinking now, do you think there is like a love story vibe, or like people that met, like the guy like delivered like the food like to the girl's house, like must delivery, and like they're like an instant connection and like now they're together? Is there one day there's a story like that? Imagine, that's like so cool.
Hello, can I see order?
Can I please get an iced coffee, the normal one, and my chicken burger only?
Thank you, next time.
Thank you. Thank you. Just had to get this book for my mother because she wants to read it, because I didn't read it finished. So that's also a problem that I have. But yeah, kids are princess now. I just realized that I didn't finish the video. Just wanna say bye.